Is it the right time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified Costco as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.66. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.46% since we first recommended Costco as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.43% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, but it's important to note that it's in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks up above the top trend line at $642.92, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there's a potential 9.9% change over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -0.106% to 12.01%. On a longer-term basis, the 12-month trend suggests a 24.87% change over the next 12 months. The potential return ranges from 9.85% to 27.19%. This means that after a year, the stock could be priced between $692.93 and $802.29. Our latest update on Costco brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Costco as stock downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, December 14, 2023, the Costco stock price experienced a decrease of 1.75%, dropping from $642 to $630.78. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.84%, reaching a low of $630.30 and a high of $641.90. It's worth noting that the stock has been on an upward trend, rising in 8 of the last 10 days and showing a growth of 6.42% over the past 2 weeks. However, despite an increase in trading volume by 1 million shares, the prices were on the decline. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In terms of trading activity, approximately 3 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of around $2.08 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $642.60, while the lowest price was $447.90. Currently, the stock is 1.84% below the 52-week high, standing at $630.78, which is $11.82 lower than the highest point. It's worth mentioning that this is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Oppenheimer rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, November 30, 2023, Telsey Advisory rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Cost as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, William Blair rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, BMO Capital rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Costco stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Costco stock. Costco stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which further supports the buy signal. In case of a downward correction, there is support from the price levels at $622.19 and $586.09. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the stock's near-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, resulting in a 1.75% decline so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence gave a buy signal. The pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 173 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. When it comes to support, we can see that the stock has some key levels to watch. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $578.58 and $563.53. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $578.58 is broken, the next support levels will be at $563.53 and $557.53. Now let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Costco experiences average movements during the day and has good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the latest data, we can see that the stock moved $11.60 between its high and low, representing a 1.84% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.34%. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss potential trading levels for Costco. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong growth in the future. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 1, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Costco. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $642. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Costco encounters its first support level at $578.58. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Costco has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 8, 2023, Richard Galante, an insider, sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On November 8, 2023, Richard Galante, again an insider, sold another 1,000 shares of common stock. On November 7, 2023, Pierre Riel, another insider, sold 3,000 shares of common stock. On November 3, 2023, Russell D. Miller, an insider, sold 4,500 shares of common stock. On October 22, 2023, Craig W. Jelinek, as an insider, bought 27,129 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 26.278. Overall, insiders bought 156,758 shares and sold 101,413 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss at $610.95, which represents a decrease of 3.14%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which means it carries a medium level of risk. In terms of recent trends, there is a sell signal that was triggered by a pivot top discovered just 1 day ago. Is Costco stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Costco stock shows positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend. This suggests there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, December 15th, we anticipate Costco to open up at $3.55 and begin trading at $634.33. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of potential financial loss. To make informed decisions, we highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a substitute for professional advice. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge your own responsibility for any investment choices you make. We're excited to present our current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts too, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We're here at Stock Invest to support your trading journey and wish you a successful day.